the monkey is in the year, so you can expect a lot of new friends that could actually be above your bar, mas mayaman sa'yo, mas powerful kaysa sa'yo. Ito yung mga mamimit mo, which will be very, very good para sa'yo. Kasi ang kailangan lang naman iwasan ng mga monkey ay overcommitting, no? Yung overpromising. Ito lang naman ang pinaka-problema nila for next year. If the monkey is in the month, okay, so that will be a business that will boom because you will have good market, magkakaroon ka ng mga bagong connections, magkakaroon ka ng bagong mga network, so which will be very, very good para sa'yo. If nasa day, ang problema ni monkey, if it's in the day, mag-ingat because there is a change that would happen, and this change might be for good or for worse, no? So kung paano mo siya hahandaan if nasa day mo, medyo dito extra careful ka lang, okay? Aralin mo maigi ang mga diskarte mo. If the monkey actually falls on the hour, you will have most probably extra assets, baka magkaroon ka ng mga properties na medyo on a good buy talaga para sa'yo. Yan, no? Yung maganda para sa mga monkey, no?